Gonzales-Gutierrez concerning expanding the jurisdiction of the courts for certain vulnerable youth.
Thank you. Representative Gonzales-Gutierrez.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move House Bill 1042 and the Judiciary Committee report.
To the Judiciary Committee report. Representative Gonzales-Gutierrez.
Thank you, Madam Chair. It is an honor to serve with you.
And such a pleasure and an honor to serve with you as well.
Members, this bill addresses an inconsistency between state and federal law and applies only in very limited circumstances. The Special Immigrant Juvenile Status was enacted in 1990 by Congress and currently includes unmarried children under the age of 21 who have been abused, abandoned, or neglected by one or both parents and who are under the jurisdiction of a state court that can make a custody decision over the child. The problem here is that Colorado courts do not always have jurisdiction to make custody decisions for kids between the ages of 18 and 21. There are very limited circumstances in which they have that ability. Those are in adoption proceedings, dependency and neglect cases, as well as juvenile delinquency cases. And they have jurisdiction over those children up until the age of 21. This bill would address the need in custody and guardianship cases to allow Colorado to catch up with the federal expansion of SIJS that happened in 2008. Thank you, and I ask for your support and a yes vote.
Is there any further discussion of the Judiciary Committee report?